2021's biggest beauty trend has got to be skinimalism. So while it's absolutely fun to wear makeup to help accentuate your features on days when you just don't want to go out at all, what do you do? Well, skinimalism is to the rescue, and I'm here to show you how it's done. Hi guys, I'm Sachi, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to look good without makeup. So if this topic really interests you and you want to see more such videos, then do go ahead and subscribe to the Be Beautiful channel and ring the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest videos. The first step to look good without makeup is to double cleanse, as that's what's going to give you that smooth base and a natural glow. But what exactly is double cleansing? Well, it's a two-step cleansing process. The first step is to use a cleansing oil or a micellar water to clear away the topmost layer of oil, dirt, product buildup, and dead skin cells. And the second step involves cleansing with a water-based cleanser to deep cleanse the skin and remove any other skin impurities. So I start off with a micellar water, and this one is my favorite. This is the Simple Kind to Skin Micellar Cleansing Water. Just pour some on a cotton pad and swipe it on the face. It has triple purified water that hydrates the skin and hexylene, which is a surfactant that will help lift impurities. It is also non-comedogenic, which means it won't clog the pores. Now it's time for the second step in the double cleansing. Here we will use a water-based cleanser. I'm using the Simple Kind to Skin Refreshing Facial Wash. It is 100% soap-free formula. This assures me that it will not dry out my skin. It is also free of other harsh chemicals. In fact, it has a gentle nourishing ingredient like provitamin B, which adds hydration, and it also has vitamin E that soothes the skin. The next step is to use an alcohol-free toner. Toner resets the pH balance of your skin and strengthens the protective barrier, which often gets disrupted while cleansing. The toner that I have been loving lately is this one. This is the Simple Kind to Skin Soothing Facial Toner. Pour it on a cotton pad and swipe it along the face and neck area. It contains chamomile, which is anti-inflammatory, provitamin B5 that hydrates the skin, and allantoin that helps soothe the skin. What's great is that it is 100% alcohol-free, meaning it will not strip the skin of its natural oils. The third step is to use a vitamin C serum. It helps protect against sun damage, lightens dark spots, and boosts collagen. But the very best part about vitamin C is that it reduces rapid melanin production, which in turn helps improve the overall skin complexion. Apart from that, it also gently exfoliates the skin by eliminating the top layer of dead skin cells, thereby enhancing the skin texture. So this is a vitamin C serum that I have been using for a while. It is the Lakme 9 to 5 Vitamin C Plus Serum. It's a lightweight, non-greasy and dermatologically tested serum. Apply a few drops and massage it into the skin. It contains active vitamin C that's derived from Kakadu plum extracts, which have 100 times more vitamin C than oranges. I bet you didn't know that. The next step is to apply a glow-boosting moisturizer. While I understand that makeup is bae and can help you look luminous in no time, wouldn't it be awesome if you could actually get naturally radiant skin without any makeup? Well, this is what I've been relying on for that lit from within glow. It's the Lakme Lumi Cream. Take some product on the hand and lightly dab it all over your face. Now this is a new launch, but what got me really excited is that it will not only hydrate your skin, but will also add a 3D highlight-like effect on the skin. Exciting, right? It is actually infused with Korean pink pearl extracts and vitamin C, B6, B3 that brightens the skin, controls excessive oil production, and improves collagen synthesis. It also has emollients like glycerine, butylene, glycol, and hyaluronic acid that will retain moisture and soften your skin. Next is using a tinted sunscreen. One of the best ways to ward off premature skin aging and look better without makeup is by actually protecting your skin from UV rays. So on days when I want to go makeup less but still want a tint and a hint of makeup, then this is what I like using. This is the Lakme Sun Expert Tinted Sunscreen with 50+++ SPF. Just apply it in small dots all over your face and neck and then blend it evenly. It is lightweight, non-sticky, and gives a beautiful matte finish. It is enriched with cucumber, which actually helps to hydrate, and lemongrass that controls the oil production. So that way your skin stays protected, oil-free, with a sheer hint of color that evens out your skin complexion. And the last step is to hydrate your lips. Having healthy, plump lips is another way to look good without makeup, because cracked lips aren't exactly what you want to draw attention to, right? So I always make it a point to hydrate my lips with a good old lip balm, and this is the one I like to use. It's the Vaseline Lip Tints in Cocoa Butter. Just take some on your fingers and apply it evenly all over your lips. It's infused with cocoa butter that is going to help moisturize cracked lips while adding a touch of shine. Plus, this tin of lip balm is super travel friendly. So guys, I hope you liked this video. If you do want to look good without makeup on some days, then go ahead and follow these steps. Before you leave, I know you know the drill. Like, share and subscribe to the Be Beautiful channel. And tap on the bell icon so that you can always stay updated with our latest videos. See you next time. Bye.